Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class, Greenfield School and College. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well and fine today. Your second monthly syllabus of biology first part is chapter 2, cell division. Okay. Chapter 2 cell division is your syllabus for biology first paper for second monthly. Okay, so let's start. Anika and Sharif, I hope you are well and fine today. Okay, cell division. What is cell? The functional unit and structural unit of a animal or plants is known as cell. Okay. The cell plays the main role in the development and formation of living body. Body increases in size due to cell division. One body matured or developed by the cell division. There are two types of cell. Somatic cell and reproductive cell. One is somatic cell and another is reproductive cell. The vegetative body is developed by the cell division of somatic cell and reproduction is carried out by the division of reproductive cell. Okay. There are some basic difference in the cell division of both types of cell. Somatic cell occurs mitotic division and gametic cell, reproductive cell occurs meiosis cell division. Okay. The somatic cell comes from reproductive cell. Similarly, the reproductive cell originated from somatic cells. Okay. So, the formation of new cell takes place from a mother cell. Okay. The process of a new cell formation is called cell division. What is cell division? The process of a new cell. The process of a new cell formation is called cell division. Okay. What is cell division? The process of a new cell formation is called cell division. Okay. The new cell formed due to cell division is known as daughter cell. Okay. Here this cell divide. Okay. So this is mother cell. This cell divided into two. Okay, here two. So this is daughter cell. Okay, so this is mother cell and this is daughter cell. Okay, one cell divided into two cell. The new cell formed due to cell division is known as daughter cell, and the cell which produce the daughter cell is called mother cell. So I think you are clear what is mother cell and what is daughter cell. Okay. I repeat, the new cell formed due to cell division, here two new cell from mother cell is known as daughter cell, and the cell which produce the daughter cell is called mother cell. Okay, so this is mother cell and this is daughter cell. Then go to definition of cell division. The formation of daughter cell through different continuous process and changes from a mother cell is known as cell division. The formation of daughter cell. The formation of daughter cell through different continuous process and changes. Okay. Different continuous process and changes from a mother cell is known as cell division. Okay. It is a biological process through which a meristematic cell is converted to or four daughter cell. Okay. Sometimes you get two and sometimes you get four daughter cell. Okay. Two you can found mitosis cell division and four you can found meiosis cell division. Okay. Then types of cell division. How many types of cell division? The cell division mainly are of three types. Okay. Three types. Cell division, the cell divisions mainly are 3 types. First one, amitosis, then mitosis, and last one, meiosis. Amitosis, mitosis and meiosis. Okay, there are 3 types of cell division in plants and animals. Okay, both. These are amitosis, mitosis and meiosis. First one, amitosis or direct cell division. Okay, first one we discuss amitosis or direct. Another name of amitosis is direct cell division. Okay, amitosis or direct cell division. Amitosis, in this process, the nucleus of mother cell is directly divided into 2 parts. Okay, the nucleus elongate and divided in the middle. First one, draw. This is nucleus. Second one, nucleus elongated and this type. Okay. Third one, nucleus, here nucleus, this type, and last one you can get 2 daughter cell. Okay, this is called direct cell division. Okay, here this is nucleus and this is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm and nucleus. Sorry. First one, in this process, the nucleus of mother cell, here mother cell is directly divided into 2 parts. Okay, 2 parts. The nucleus elongated, here nucleus elongated and divided in the middle to form 2 nuclei. Here 2 nuclei without going through any complex process in cytoplasm and nucleus, forming 2 daughter cell, here 1 and 2. Okay. This is mostly found in single cell like bacteria, yeast, amoeba, okay, etc. In this process, the nucleus elongates and constrict at the center, forming a dumbbell shape. This is dumbbell shape. Okay. The constriction at the middle become more restrict, forming 2 nuclei. Here 2 nuclei produce. Cytoplasm near the restricted point travel further inside, divided the cytoplasm into, here also cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm into 2 daughter cells. These forms no spindle fiber. Here you cannot found no spindle fiber and nuclear membrane do not dissolve. Okay, here nuclear membrane. This is an unusual type of mitosis. Okay, here chromatid develops but do not spread. Okay, chromatid develop but do not spread. Amitosis rarely found in higher plants except in case of temporary tissue. Okay, these only observed in plant crop and shed of cells in case of animal. Then go to cell cycle. Cell cycle. Okay. The period between the end of one cell division and end of the next cell division is known as cell cycle. Okay, between 2 cell division, between the time known as cell cycle. Okay, the important constructive events and changes which takes place in an individual diploid cell is called cell cycle. The various stages of cell cycle, including the first one, interphase or period between divisions and mitosis. Okay, the delicate operation in which the chromosomal material is double and exactly divided between the two incipient daughter cells. Okay. In simple, the cell cycle can be called the interphase and consecutive stage of mitosis by a complete revolution of the cycle. Stages of cell cycle. First one, interphase. Okay. Then M period, M period, M period known as mitosis, and C period. C period means cytokinesis. Cytokinesis. Okay. Here cell cycle has three periods. First one, interphase, then M period, that means mitosis, and C period, that means cytokinesis. Okay. Cytokinesis. First one, interphase. The stage between successive cell division is called interphase. Interphase cover a large period, almost 90 to 95% of time of cell cycle. Okay. This is known as interphase. And here M and cytokinesis. Okay. The figure is then here and this. Okay. This is G1, that means gap 1. This is S. S means DNA replication. Okay. Here DNA replication. Here G2. G2 means gap 2. Here G2 gap 2 and here mitosis cell division. Okay. Mitosis and cytokinesis also. Okay. M and C. M and C. Here is this is all interphase. Here interphase time 90 to 95%. Okay. So interphase cover a large period, almost 90 to 95%. Interphase covered of time of cell cycle. Previously, this step was considered as resting phase, but in 1950, it was found that it is a very active step. Okay, in this step, the DNA replication take place. Here, DNA replication take place. The necessary protein, then nucleic acid component are synthesized apparently in this inactive state, in addition to normal activity of cell development and cell division. Okay, interphase step has got three specific phase. Here interphase divided three step: G1, S synthesis and G2. Okay, G1 is the, so let's go GN. Okay, G1 is the first gap phase. It is the time between the end of previous cell division and the beginning of DNA replication. Okay. The cell grows during G1 phase, which is typically the longest phase. Longest phase. Toward the end of G1, the cell synthesizes certain enzyme used in DNA replication. This is an important preparatory step of most of the cell. The new cells are relatively small in size with full size nucleus, but with relatively low quantity of cytoplasm. Okay. Here S time G1 30 to 40. G1 gap 1 30 to 40%. G2 10 to 20. 10 to 20%. Okay. So, quantity. Then protein synthesis started at this time along with more cytoplasm formation and increase the number of organelles. The process is a complicated one because some organelles like mitochondria, okay, they have their own DNA which replicates of their own. The comparative length of cell cycle is G1 here. G1 step varies considerably. Okay. Human embryo cleavage, cleavage is spread over for a few hours only in G1. Okay. Contrarily, so that the matured brain cell of human does not divide anymore. Okay, brain cell. Here, cells of G1 phase remain arrested in a resting form. Okay, this step of G1 step is also called G1 step, also called G0 step. Okay, these activities make it possible for the cell to enter the S. Here, S means S phase. Okay, S means DNA replication. The second period of interphase called the S phase or synthesis phase or involve the replication of DNA. Okay, another name. S phase or synthesis phase or involve the replication of DNA. Other materials such as protein that are components of chromosomes are also synthesized at this time so that the cell can make duplicate copies of its chromosomes. Each chromosome becomes double to form identical chromatid during duplication. Okay, the sister chromatid are attached together with the chromosome. Chromatid become visible in the beginning of mitosis while chromosomes become condensed. Okay, this step utilize 30 to 50 time of a cell cycle. Utilize 30 to 50. Okay, 30 to 50 time of a cell cycle. Then go to G2. Okay, on completion of S phase, the cell enters a second gap phase or G2 phase, in short relatively to the G1 and S phase. Okay. At this time, increased protein synthesis take place as the cell prepares to divide. Yeah, just. These steps utilize 10 to 20 time of the cell cycle. Some fine microtubules in addition to nucleus become visible in interphase. The microtubules are located near the nuclear membrane, okay, radiated from centrosome to cytoplasm. In all animal cells, a pair of organs called centriole is located at the center of centrosome. Okay, the centrosome replicates in G2 step, S step and G2 step of interphase. Thus, two chromosomes are formed which remain close to each other. Then M phase. Okay, here M means mitosis. You know the stages of mitosis: prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Okay, 5 stages which completed the nuclear division process. Okay, mitosis represent 5 to 10% time of cell division. And C phase. Here C means cytokinin. Okay, the process of formation of two daughter cells by dividing the cytoplasm. Okay, so this is the figure of cell cycle. Figure of cell cycle. Cell cycle, and this is very important for you. This question will be your 2 or 3 marks. 2 or 3 marks. This question is very important. Next class will be held mitosis cell division, mitotic cell division, and that class will be video Zoom class. So I hope you will present in that class. Okay, so that's all. Allah Hafiz. Take care.